Hello, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm making these really cute Halloween mason jar luminaries. These are really fun and easy to make, a cute little decoration for Halloween. A list of all the materials needed, as well as the instructions and the cut file can be found in the blog post in the description box. So make sure you check that out so you can learn how to make this cute project. So what I'm doing is I'm weighting my design. I've cut it on my Cricut, but you can use your cutting machine of choice, whether that's a Silhouette or a Brother Scan and Cut. And so, yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm weeding the excess, and then I'm going to take some mason jars, and I'm placing this inside of a Ziploc bag. And you don't have to use a Ziploc bag, you can just use any plastic, something that's just going to protect the outside, because we're going to be painting the inside and we don't want to get any of that paint on the outside. So I'm using painter's tape as well to sort of help secure that. And then I've got some purple Krylon Fusion spray paint. I'm going to take this outside and spray paint those. And then once those are completely dry, you can go ahead and remove that painter's tape. And it just looks a lot neater if you do it from the inside, because it just looks glossy from the outside and you don't see those paint streaks. So next, here's a little quick tip. If you don't have your transfer tape handy, you can actually just use some painter's tape, and it's just a quick little hack for you there. And just pulling your design off, and then place your design on your luminary there. And it's just going to look so cute once you have peeled the design off. Isn't that cute? There's a cute little witch. And then I'm just going to take some LED little tea light luminaries and just place them inside. I don't want to use real candles, just to be on the safe side, because that paint could be flammable. And that's pretty much it, you guys. These look super cute, especially when you dim down the lights. I had so much fun making this project, and I hope that you guys will too. Make sure that you check out the blog post for the complete instructions. And by the way, I absolutely love this cut file. I had so much fun creating it. I create all kinds of fun cut files for my VIP Crafters Club members. And every month they get new cut files and a brand new project. It's all kinds of fun. So if you want to check that out, all you have to do is visit the link in the description box to join thousands of other members by joining us at VIP Crafters Club. When you join VIP Crafters Club, you will get instant access to this file and tons of others, plus you'll get access to all the projects that you're looking at right now. VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly craft subscription. It's perfect for beginners and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish. Something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or your Silhouette. You will get lots of amazing projects and cut files. Every month there's something new. My members tell me it feels like Christmas. Plus, small business commercial use is included. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together. We share our creations. It's so much fun, and lots of wonderful members get to share and craft with each other. It's a really, really special thing to be a part of. So I want to encourage you to check it out, learn a little bit more, join our amazing community with thousands of other Cricut and Silhouette crafters just like you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you inside.